If you are wondering what is the AnTuTu score of POCO F8 Ultra, then over here I've got the result. I just performed the test, and of course over here you can see the score. The phone managed to get 3.7 million points. Of course, the result may vary. Of course, we do not really get the same score every time, but still the score is pretty high. We can also see the change in the temperature and the score for CPU, GPU, memory, and UX. The temperature, of course, has risen to quite high temperature. We got 44.5 degrees Celsius, which is, of course, quite a bit of a temperature, but still not too bad overall. And I believe this is one of the highest scores that we can get right now on smartphones. Pretty good for this value. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.